Welcome to News for the Future, where today we will be discussing the use of artificial intelligence, AI, and its many applications. AI has become an integral part of research and development in fields like engineering, medicine, and business, and is being used in smart production systems to improve manufacturing quality, sustainability, and cost efficiency. But that's just the beginning. AI can also be applied to tackle issues related to sustainable manufacturing, such as optimizing energy resources and managing supply chains and waste. We will be exploring a recent study that conducted a comprehensive review of AI and machine learning literature from 1999 to 2019, examining the influence of various factors such as thematic areas and sectors on the use of these technologies. AI is present in almost every industry, from education and healthcare to agriculture, finance, and shipping. The main goal of this study was to provide a comprehensive overview of the research that has been conducted in this field and to establish a common understanding of AI and machine learning. AI has a long history dating back to the 1940s, but saw a decline in investment and progress in the 1970s, leading to a period known as the AI winter. In recent years, the study of AI solutions has gained momentum due to the growth of Industry 4.0, which sees AI as a key enabling technology. The number of published articles on AI remained constant until 2013, but has since increased due to the increasing adoption of AI technologies. This increase has prompted researchers to keep pace with the growth of Industry 4.0. There is a growing interest in using AI and machine learning in various scientific fields, particularly in computer science and engineering, due to their potential for innovation, process optimization, resource optimization, and improved quality. Many patent applications for AI and machine learning technologies have been filed since the 1950s, with the United States, China, and European countries being the leading countries in this field. China, in particular, has ambitious plans to become a world leader in AI by 2030, with initiatives like Made in China 2025 and Internet Plus focused on smart manufacturing and innovation. The increasing adoption of AI and machine learning in industry may lead to new generations of researchers and new areas of investigation in the future. Smart manufacturing, which uses AI and machine learning, has the potential to improve sustainability in industry by addressing resource scarcity and increasing productivity. AI and machine learning can be applied in various ways to promote sustainable development, such as in inventory and supply chain management, predictive maintenance, and production. AI and machine learning have also been successfully used in the optimization of various processes and in predictive maintenance in different industries. The adoption of AI and machine learning technologies can lead to the creation of a new generation of intelligent, sustainable manufacturing. However, further research is needed to fully understand the relationship between AI and machine learning, Industry 4.0 technologies, and sustainability. This research study analyzed the current state of AI and machine learning applications in various scientific fields through a systematic review of relevant literature. The goal of the research was to provide a comprehensive overview of the current state of research in this area and to suggest potential areas for future research. The research utilized two databases, WAS and Scopus, and only included documents with open access. It is important to note that there may be additional relevant documents that were not included in this study. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and insightful.